Hey guys, Scott Morgan here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to use Aimi for the real estate industry. If you are an agent and you are selling real estate property, individual property, residential, right? There's commercial, residential, and I've got a video that I'll be doing for commercial agents as well. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a persona in our app if you are a real estate agent selling residential property and how easy this can be. So what you're looking at is the home page of adding a persona. Now, when you own the app, the Aimi app, you can set up multiple personas. Personas is your business, right? So you're a real estate agent. I'm going to put my real estate agent hat on. I'm not perfect at that, but I want to show you how easy it is to set up a persona for a real estate agent selling residential properties. So on this screen here, and I'm also going to try and use my little fancy button here, annotate, so you can see the spotlight of where I am on a screen. So that little red dot you see, I'm going to try and utilize that as the same time as I'm using I'm airplaying my app to my screen so you can see this. So those are multiple other personas that I've done with some demos, some of the other stuff that I do. But I'm going to hit add new persona on that button there. This screen's going to pop up. Now, we've got multiple businesses, and I'm doing these videos for the multiple businesses that we have. But if you scroll down through these, you can pause this if you'd like to. These are the several industries that we have right now. There's some network marketing ones, paint contractor, plumbing, real estate agency commercial, real estate agency residential, real estate realtor commercial, and real estate realtor residential. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click done. And then I'm going to click select, and you'll see that it'll populate in that window. And now I need to enter the persona name. So I'm just going to add, just for demo purposes, Morgan Realty. And then I'll click done. Name of the company is most likely going to be the same thing, unless there's a bigger company that you may have underneath this company, maybe. And then I'm going to click on the zip code. I'll just put my own in for demo purposes. And then, as you can imagine, you hit next. Now, next, here's the window or the screen where you're going to add your personal networks. Now, you have a Facebook business page for your real estate business. I assume you do. If you don't, then you need to reach out to me and you need to start that page, especially with all the clients that you're building up. You need to have a page where I'm going to be able to show you. You're going to be able to provide tips and different things for them. I'm getting ahead of myself, but this is the page where you would set up your LinkedIn page, because you've got to be on LinkedIn. There's certainly home buyers that are on LinkedIn. A Twitter page. You might not be doing a lot on Twitter, but why not send out a campaign on Twitter? And then your Facebook business page. That's where you would set that up in this particular window. I'm obviously not going to set that up because I'm not a real estate agent, but this is where you would do that. And then, of course, you would hit next. And then here is where you can strategically add emojis that'll add to each of your posts. Now, this button here, that one right there that I just hit, that's where you can add text in here, where it could be whatever you want it to be. Call me now for to discuss real estate, whatever that might be. But for this demo purpose, I'm going to leave that blank. But know that the append to the end of every post, that means that every post that goes out, you can have one. It could just be call me now with your phone number. But you'll see, now I'm going to add a URL. You'll see you can add your phone later. So URL, you obviously are trying to direct them. If they're seeing something on your social media channel, well, then obviously you want them to go to somewhere, and that's going to be your website. So for demo purposes, I'm just going to quickly go through this. You're obviously going to be adding your own website. And now this is important for you as a real estate agent. Phone, call, or text with information. You're going to finish anything that you see that's in red. You need to finish that and turn it green. So I'm going to say call or text. Those are your options there. And then I'm going to put in our real estate phone number, 456-7890. That is not my number. That's for demo purposes. And then maybe schedule, right? This could be a good option to add in, schedule a consultation, a meeting, an appointment. Let's go with appointment. An appointment of you wanting to talk with a possible seller or buyer. And then let's click this button. This could be helpful as well. message information. Finish the following sentence, turn red to green. PM, DM, direct message. Let's leave it with direct message. You can do custom if you want to. And then here I'm going to click next at the bottom. Now here's what's really cool. Like if you are with a real estate company or your own and you have your own logo or you have your own colors, well, you can add that in here. You can mess with the colors of what the campaigns are gonna be in the posts that go out. Or you can add your own logo to every post that goes out. Super cool there. I'm going to leave that blank, obviously, because I don't have any real estate logos, but you get the idea. You can change the font. You can change the font color. You can do all that in here. I'm going to click next. And here is where it gets fun. Are you in need of a real estate agent? Let's just realtor, broker, one of those. Let's leave it agent to buy, list, sell, find. Maybe buy, we'll leave it at buy. You can change it whatever you want. Your next home. You can go to custom if you wanted to. Go to bottom and do custom if you want to do custom. But maybe it's house, single family homes, condominium, whatever it is. Let's leave it home there. Now it's got, you'll notice if I swipe this way, I've got other variations that I can fill out. For this demo purpose, I'm just going to leave it to the one. But the more information you give Amy, the better she's going to be at building the campaigns and the posts for you without you having to figure out what to write. Whether you're looking for a fast and efficient way to buy your next home or real estate agent or a real estate agent you can have a good laugh with, look no further. Maybe you fill that out. Maybe you fill this one out. You can pause these videos if you want to see what these are saying. But for demo purposes, I just kind of flip through it so you can get an idea. Now I'm done. At the bottom, there we hit save and finish. And then we wanted to build our first calendar. Now calendar, I want you to envision a calendar up on the wall, days 1 through 30, 31, whatever it is. You're going to hit build new calendar. Now here we're going to hit, I'm just going to hit test for this purpose. Here you're going to hit done. And then here, right in there, you click in there. We need to fill that in. So you'll see at the bottom, boom, there's the personas that I did. You're going to hit done again. And then you're going to hit, I'm going back and forth with that little red, fancy little red button here. But now I wanted to populate that Morgan Realty. Realty probably should be capitalized, right? You're probably saying, oh, that should be capitalized. And then here at the bottom, under time frames, Smart Sync, that's where this app is super powerful. We typically always leave it on this, custom post. Use Smart Sync as my default option to auto pick the time and day to schedule my custom post. Note, you can always pick your own via the post creator. The power of this app figures out the days and times because it's been continually learning and machine learning, as they say, to figure out what are the best times and dates to post. Another one, auto build settings. Same deal. This calendar will auto build monthly. Boom. That's the other power of this app, is that once a month is completed, you're going to get a notification on the first or second day of the next month. And it's going to say, hey, guess what? I've built your campaign, your calendar for the next month. Would you like to go to it and check it out? And then just hit post and go. That's what's cool about this app. And it'll build new posts, right? It'll be new posts. It won't be the same exact post you did the month before. That makes no sense. You want new content going out there. That's what it's going to do. I'm going to click next. Here's where you're going to connect their pages. You're going to connect. You have a business page on Facebook. That's where you're going to connect it. You're just going to simply hit connect. Boom. It's connected. Save and finish. I'm currently building your campaign. And then we get at the top of the screen, right up here, depending on the speed of your Wi-Fi, could be but drum roll, your monthly count of beautiful social media posts for Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter is done. Done. Those are the notifications that I get. It shouldn't be popping up while I'm doing this training. So here it's done. Looking for a readily available top-notch real estate agent in your area? Are you frustrated? You can't find high-quality real estate agents in your town? I have years and years of experience. Schedule an appointment. There's your link. That's it. Now, what you're looking at is what's built for you, right? You have these three options. Let me put this little. So there's the advanced. That's the upper upgrade of our app is in the advanced, or maybe you're in the basic version. You would get to use that picture, or you can simply use all three. Now, sometimes I've noticed that our royalty-free pictures that are in our app, that's included with the app, you don't need to buy those. You can have the comfort knowing that these royalty-free pictures are included in this. So that's a pretty cool picture right there. And I might just leave it like that. And I swipe to the next one, and I see the next day, and the time you'll see right there, Sunday the 3rd, 7:30 a.m. It's not scheduled yet. That's the advanced version. There's a basic, and maybe it's, oh, I like that pool. I like that place. What is most frustrating about house hunting? Question mark. There's an engaging post where you're just looking for people to answer a question in your, not just about buy, right? Me. Is a question you want to engage. It's social. We're trying to be social. So that's a post that's pretty cool. I'm going to leave that. And then here's a quote. Every person who invests in well-selected real estate in a growing section of a prosperous community adopts the sunset, the surest and safest method of becoming independent. Theodore Roosevelt. There's your link. There's your website at the bottom. Now remember, in the beginning, I said you can append every text. Maybe right below that last line of Theodore Roosevelt, wherever that last line is, you can have it say, go to the link below, or go to my link for the latest properties. Call me now to discuss your real estate needs. Whatever that might be, that would come up in every single one. Now here, this quote comes up in that advanced version. There's the basic, and there's image only, right? So there's image only, pretty cool picture too. And then they're just reading that quote. Maybe you leave it at that. Now you can see, if we look up through here, right? If you look up through January right there, let's go through that whole month. Boom, the whole month is basically done all the way to the 1st of February. That'll be one post a day, and they're all different information that goes out there. Sorry, I get all just freaked out over how cool this is. There's another cool picture, but maybe I'll leave it there. The best real estate agent in town, work at Morgan Realty. That's your company that you're putting in there. And then the verbiage, you can pause it if you want to. I'm here for all of your real estate needs. Call me. So here's a post that says, hey, call me. Call me. If you're looking at real estate, call me. I can help you. You want those posts to go out once in a while too, but it's not every single post. Real estate and mortgage tips. Here's tips that are going to go out, right? There's quotes, there's tips, there's engaging questions. It's all a different genre of things that go out to your pages on your LinkedIn, Twitter, and your Facebook business page. Very cool. I'm done here. This is basically it. Now, if I go up to here, let's say I like all these, right? I've gone through all of them. I love them. I go up to options right there, and I hit schedule all post. If I click on that, I'm done. That whole campaign calendar on your wall, your calendar, you're done with all those posts that are going to go out onto your pages. Now you get back to work and calling clients. And with this, your social media is done. That's what blows me away. I'm super excited about this app because I know I can help anybody. This is for real estate agents that are trying to be more active on their social media pages. I know Instagram is a big player also. We have ways where you can simply screenshot and share it to your Instagram page as well. We have workarounds that I can help you with that. And then one day we'll be on Instagram as well. We're not right now, but you've got to be on Facebook and LinkedIn and Twitter. LinkedIn certainly is a place where there's home buyers, right? So, and Twitter. I mean, you don't want to eliminate any social media platform if you don't have to. Our app will share to all three of those platforms. All these campaigns will go out there. Really super simple. Now, let me stop sharing. Next is for you to reach out to me. If you have a particular industry, this is for real estate. This demo is for real estate agents, residential. The link below in the description is going to be the link that takes you to the App Store where we've been approved by Apple. That's where you can download the free version. If you want to start there, download the free version. Maybe you mess with it. Maybe you kick some tires with it. But know that to be able to do this whole month, well, you're going to need an upgraded version. That's where you can reach out to me first. If you need help with it, I can answer any questions that you might have. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you know of anybody that needs help with their small business and social media and being more consistent, I know I can help just about any small business. The big businesses, they're big, right? They're spending thousands and thousands of dollars a month on social media managers. But I will say this, social media managers that are helping clients out with their social media, this app can help them as well because your personas, You can build ABC Realty. You can build Joe's Pizza Place. You can build Bob's Tires. You can build Joe Bag of Donuts. You can do all kinds of personas and use the app for all separate businesses on their Facebook business pages. Only one LinkedIn connection and only one Twitter connection with the app. So reach out to me. Go to the link below in the description. Subscribe to my channel if you would. I love that. And comment any questions you might have below. If you don't see a business that I have not done yet, then message me and I'll do it. And you can also request to have a private Zoom meeting with me where I'll show you the app and we can have a little 30-minute call and I'll show you how we can rock your social media and be more consistent and get you more time with less money having to spend tons and tons of dollars on a social media company that might be out there. I know I can help you. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.